Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute candy cane nail art design. Let's get started. I've already applied the base coat. The colors I'll be using today is Zoya Matte Velvet, Amal, and Aspen. On my accent nails, I will be using Aspen, and I'll be using 2 coats of each of these polishes. And all of my other fingers, I will be using Amal. My new favorite top coat is Super Chic Lacquer's Marble Top Coat. I don't know, so far any of the polishes that I wore it with have lasted no chipping for at least a week. I've taken them off after a week and they weren't chipped. So I do like to put this on. It's a fast drying top coat and it will smooth out any ridges or imperfections on the nail and the polish. So I'm going to put that over first, and then if I want to make it matte again, I can put in a matte top coat and it will be really smooth. I'm going to use Uber Chic's Christmas O2 stamping plate. I'm going to use these candy canes right here. I'm going to use Hit the Bottle Drop Red Gorgeous. Did a really great pickup. I'm going to put a thin coat of sticky base coat over the top to help the stamped image stick better, and wait for a minute. And I really don't want to fight with red pigment all over my skin, so I am going to add a latex barrier around my nails. There we go. I'm going to stamp another set of candy canes on my thumb. Just going to remove the latex. I am going to use Maniology's smudge-free top coat. Now I do like Maniology smudge-free top coat, and I do have a discount code in the description box. I do get some sort of money when so much product, I guess, has been used from my discount code. I don't even know how much it is, to tell you the truth. It's a little bit every now and then, and they, depending on how many times it's used, I get to level up and they send me free things. I purchase the smudge free. I've never gotten free smudge free from them. I do love it. That's my own opinion on it. I think it's a great product. I buy it all the time and I really like it. So I just have to put that disclaimer out there for you guys, that this is my own personal opinion and they don't actually pay me to say anything nice about this product. I'm using this awesome polish that I just found out about it from Sally Hansen. And this one is called Candy Cane Red, and it is a beautiful glitter topper, and it just reminds me of little crushed candy canes, so that's why I'm using it in this mani. So now what I'm going to do is something fun with this little glitter topper. I am just going to put, if I can get some of it here. Okay, I'm just going to put some little bits of it at the bottom here. There's all different kinds of really fun sizes in here. Some of them are shards, and some of them are just little micro glitters. So I'm just going to put this down here at the bottom so it looks like little candy cane pieces. There, kind of like how that looks. And I'm going to do the same thing on my thumb. I think that will do nicely. I add my super chic top coat and smooth out all the design and the glitter. And I think it came out exactly how I wanted it to. So here is my finished crushed candy cane look. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.